Thieaudio is famous for its fantastic IEMs that sound amazing, with the nice bass, clean mids and airy treble. It is one of those brands that you know will not falter in sound or build quality. However, which Thieaudio is right for you? Let's find out. So let me present you 3 Musketeers of Thieaudio that will cover its entire range at every price, starting with the most affordable one, the Hype 4. Well, the cheapest Thieaudio is Hype 2, but the most value for money product in their whole catalog is Hype 4. With its 2 DD and 4 BAs, Hype 4 are very beautiful looking IEMs with a nice cable and accessories that are similar in all of Thieaudio lineup. It is a U-shaped signature with its bombastic bass, clean mids and very airy treble. It has excellent details and soundstage. Things you might not like are that it can be bit too aggressive in its treble and sometimes can be a bit peaky. It is a perfect IEM if you want a good amount of bass, still making a nice level of balance across the technicalities across frequency ranges. It is a perfect IEM if you want good amount of bass, still maintaining nice level of balance and technicalities across frequency ranges. Next one is one of their latest release, Oracle Mark III. You can watch out my full review as well here. Oracle Mark III again is a very beautiful IEM. It is well built IEM in DNA similar to Hype 4 or I would say Thieaudio products. It is a tri-bid IEM with 2 dynamic driver, 2 balance armature and 2 electrostatics. Sound signature per se, it is again more of a U-shaped IEM with the impactful bass performance. Emphasizing the sub-bass region, the mids on Oracle are clean and do not have any hint of bass bleed. And it has a better control on treble in comparison to Hype 4. And it boasts some endgame level characteristics as well in terms of layering and separation and the resolution in songs. It is fantastic if you want something as a mid-fi which sounds fun as well as clean. Lastly, from the endgame IEMs Thieaudio, the pick would be Monark Mark II. Monark has all good characteristics of an IEM should have. It is beautifully built IEM with a nice package. With driver configuration of 1 dynamic driver, 6 balance armature and 2 electrostatics, it is a fantastic IEM having one of the best mids performance there is. The treble is again superbly done on Monark Mark II with a very clean and well done bass performance. From sound signature to technical performance, this IEM will impress you with its price to performance capabilities standing strong against competitors that cost twice as much. The cons for this IEM that can bother some of you are its chonky size. It might not fit all small ears. Additionally, the overall sound will not give you any excitement anywhere like elevated bass or elevated bass treble. It is a very balanced signature. Well, Thieaudio is one of my favorite brands in the IEM industry and any IEM they make will have some metal to it. And these are the 3 Musketeers of Thieaudio in my opinion, which completes the package. Which one's your favorite? Do let me know and I will see you on the next one. A special thanks to our members